welcome in to another crochet tutorial. Today we're going to do an edging, and so I've got some scrap. I've got my scrap blanket. Yes. So I'm going to show you a version of Scallop. No, that isn't me clearing my throat. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start before a corner, go round a corner and finish just after, so that you know about going on the straight, you know about going round a corner. But let's face it, it's not just blankets that might require some edging. It might be a top, it might be a skirt, it might be some socks, it might be a table runner, it could be absolutely anything. I'm just saying a blanket as an example. So let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. And let's join our colour to our nearly finished project. From the join, we are going to chain 1, 2, 3, and we're going to double crochet our way all around the edge of the project. Now, like I said, I'm not going to go all the way around. I'm literally just going to go around the corner, and that way you know about going on the straight and you know about going around the corner. You can see the hanky markers in the background and a couple of the standard stitch markers, which are all on my Etsy. So the hanky stitch markers come in absolutely any colour you like. The other stitch markers are kind of a buy it now before it goes, because when it's gone, it's gone. I'm at a corner, so I am going to double crochet before it, and in the actual corner I'm going to do 1 for this side, 1 for the corner, and 1 to represent this side. So it's like I've done that bit, I've done that bit, now I'm on that bit. All 3 go into that corner stitch. And we carry on with a double crochet in each stitch, and you keep going all the way around your project until you get back to where you started. I'll do a couple more, and then we will pretend that I've gone all the way around. Pretense, it's a very handy thing. Okay, nice and easy. So let's say we've made it all the way around. We're going to chain 1 and turn our project over. From here, we are going to do a little row that won't be seen as such here, but it will show more up when you're doing the scallops. So the repeat for this row is chain 2, miss 2, single crochet into the 3rd, and repeat. Chain 2, skip 2, single crochet in the 3rd. chain 2, skip 2, single, oops, I skipped 2 and went in the second, skip 2 and single crochet into the third, and my third is the very corner stitch, just so you're aware. 1, 2, skip 2 into the third for a single. Now for those wondering about multiples, this is multiples of 3 plus 1. Just in case you need to know for your project. Miss 2 into the third, miss 2 and into the third, which for me is the end, and you keep on going all the way around until you get back to the beginning. When you do get back to the beginning, chain 1 and turn. Almost done. So we have little eyelets, as it were, on our project, and now we're going to fill those eyelets. This is where it is a little bit of a yarn eater, but anything worth doing is going to eat some yarn. I'm sorry, it's part of the course. It's part of the course. So in that chain space, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, or triple if you prefer, double crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet, all in the chain space, i.e. you're not going into the chains as stitches, you are literally going around them. And there we have our first scallop. Immediately go into the next and do the same again. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble crochet, and then we do the same as the other side of the treble by doing a double, a half double, and a single. Next eyelet or little window, chain space. It's the 2 chain space of 2. Single crochet followed by half double crochet, followed by a double, followed by a triple or a treble, then a double, a half double, and a single. And we're on that corner, but that's okay. We're going in for a single, a half double, a double, a treble, a double, half double, and single. And you just repeat all the way around. So I'll finish my last 3 eyelets. Nothing changes. You're not chaining any. You're not missing any. You're just going directly into those chain spaces. And making the lovely scallops. Scallops, scallops, whatever you prefer. So double crochet, treble, double, half double, and single. And then I'll do my last one, single, half double, double, treble, double, half double, and finishing with a single. And when you are completely finished, all you'd need to do is literally where you meet up, let's say that's your first one that you've done, that's your last one that you've done, you literally go from the last one into that single crochet that you did and do a slip stitch and fasten off. That is that. Let's have a coordinating stitch marker, shall we? Again, these are on Etsy. There we are. So, scalloped edging. What do you think? Maybe you'll give it a go. Maybe you already have. Either way, let me know in the comments. And hopefully I will see you again next week for another stitch tutorial. Take care till then. Bye bye.